ocean, dolphins squeak and play. What do you think a shark sounds like? Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark. A lot of animals share the open savanna. Can you hear the lion roar? What animal makes this sound? Can you see the animals of Australia? Let's jump like a kangaroo. And laugh like a kookaburra. What animals can we hear hiking in the forest? I hear a bear. And can you hear the call of a wolf? In the Amazon, colorful animals make beautiful sounds. The jaguar roars in the bushes. And the flamingos dance on the beach. Let's dance together.